This is our Lagun FTV-1 vertical milling machine. It's got a Mitutoyo DRO. It's got a longitudinal power feed. It's got a power drawbar, 30 taper spindle with approximately 30 pieces of tooling, which you can see in the pictures. Also has a DRO on the quill. We're going to show you a few things running now. Power feed, rapid, speeding it up, slowing down, changing direction, speeding it up, rapid. You can see the power, the DRO working properly, both axes. Gonna bring on, we're in high gear right now, bringing the machine on. Very quiet. Coming down. Engaging brake, disengaging, going now to the low range. Changing direction. This is our Lagun Vertical Milling Machine. Thank you for watching our video.